out, in and out, arguing, trifling, difficult, let more. I don't know why you love me.
What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Z, and today I'll be showing you my mini wash and retwist routine, and this was long overdue. As for products, I'm starting out with the Peach Nut Plastic Shampoo Bar. I was really excited to try this. And I'll also be using Function of Beauty's shampoo and conditioner. So here I am just getting my hair nice and saturated. This wash routine is actually going to be a little short because my camera died. But I'm really taking that shampoo bar and just getting it in on my roots. And then I go in and wash again with the Function of Beauty products. I'll do a more in-depth wash routine though. But I'm going to let y'all watch the rest of this, and I'll be back at the retwist part. Oh, no, ma'am. And we are back. So it's been about 5 or 6 hours, not gonna lie. I kind of ate some food and fell asleep. But this is my hair about 90% dry. And I just let it air dry. My locks is sticking it up, y'all. As for products, I have my spray bottle, my lock and twist gel by African Pride, and then the double growth oil by Khalida Naturals. Then I am just taking my spray mixture and just refreshing my hair. So to see how I retwist the back of my head, I use my camera, and there's an app you can mirror pretty much Bluetooth it to your phone or iPad, so that's what I'll be doing. So here I'm just sectioning off my hair to start retwisting. In the beginning I was trying to go for a neat retwist, but in all actuality I really don't care for a like super neat retwist. But I'm just gonna let y'all watch the rest of this because it's pretty self-explanatory. I start with spraying my hair first, and then I go in with the lock gel and try to part as neat as I can. After a while I got lazy, but yeah, and I seal it with oil and mousse, but I forgot to put foam wrap on my hair. But when I did a style, I ended up doing it, so it's cool. But I'm just gonna let y'all watch the rest of this because I'm rambling, and I'll catch y'all at the end. It's gonna come out. Just wait.
You can't find no job.
So now that I'm done with my retwist, okay, I normally will take a blow dryer and just kind of blow dry my hair for like a few minutes, or I normally just chill with the clips in my hair. I'll keep it hot. I'm not too pressed for my hair to be that neatly retwisted because I love my frizz look. I love when my locks are just flowing free, and that's why I wait so long in between retwists. One, for my hair to grow. Two, I just love like the fluffiness it gives. Okay, very much needed a retwist. And I'm gonna come back and show y'all what it looks like without the clips. It might be later tonight, it might be in the morning, but yeah, I'll be back. So it was morning time, good morning, but here I am just getting ready for work, and y'all know that I want to talk. Oh, that lovey-dovey mess, feeling kind of freaky, late night calling cause you got them, okay? But here I am just oiling my locks, oiling my scalp, and look at that. Look at that. They are maturing nicely. Just take a second, y'all, to admire, cause I am. Period. So now I'm finna take the Khalida Naturals and just give my hair a nice spritz. Okay, what's up, y'all? So, what's the echo in here? I do just want to kind of show you my hair. So.
2 days later.
Okay, what's up? So this is a little impromptu, but I just wanted to show you my hair. I styled it this morning, and the video for it will be right here. I posted it on my Instagram and TikTok, so you can go check for that one there if you want to see how I did it. This is the style that I did. I ain't tell nobody nothing when they get a retwist.
Girl.
Let me stop. But that is all for the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below what other videos you would like me to do. Again, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow all of my socials. They'll be linked down below, or they'll be posted somewhere on this video. Yeah, I love y'all. Bye.